In this video, I'll show you how PulseGrowth's scoring feature tracks engagement so you can reward your top contacts. Let's get started. First, log into your account and head over to Settings. From there, click on Manage Scoring. Here, you'll see a list of preset actions. For example, if someone opens an email, they'll be assigned 1 point. All the default actions assign 1 point, but you can easily edit them. Just click the 3 dots next to an action. You can increase, decrease, or even subtract points depending on what the action is. Once you're done, hit Save. If you want to create your own custom rule, click Add New Rule, then choose an action, like when someone books an appointment. Select the calendar, set how many points you'd like to assign, and click Save. You can keep adding as many actions as you want. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish, then Save. Now that your scoring rules are in place, let's build automation based on those scores. Go to the Automation tab and create a new workflow. Set the trigger to Contact Engagement Score. Then add a filter. Choose the operator and the score value. For example, score greater than 5. Now pick the action, like sending an email, SMS, or membership access, etc. This setup will automatically engage your most active contacts based on how they interact with your business. Super helpful when you want to reward loyal leads or prioritize follow-ups. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the Manage Scoring feature inside PulseGrowth. If you have any questions or need help, visit our support portal or email us at connect@pulsegrowth.io.